I got two of these, and I think one of them is a Christmas one. And we got to open it up and see what the heck's in here. And then we got to blow it up and see if we like it. So here goes, nothing. Oh, boom, there it is. That's unboxing. So the question is, how do we do this? It's got a bunch of stakes. It's got some rope, but we've got to figure out how we blow it up. And I think it may have its own pump. Oh yeah, it's got like, it looks like it's got its own pump. And then it's got, oh, we just plug it in, look at this. We plug it in. It's got a long cord too. Excellent. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna see what happens. I just happen to have a plug right here. There it is. Oh, here it goes. Oh my gosh. It's supposed to be like 6 or 7 feet tall. I'm hoping that it fits in the garage. I think we got enough line. Here it goes. It's going. Here's Santa. Look at him. Hey, Santa Claus. What the heck is going on? These are like this thing's awesome. You don't have to do anything. It just fills itself up. I think it's Santa Claus in a giant hot air balloon. Look at the lights. Oh shit, wait a minute. What's going on? Somebody's coming home. It's filling up. Somebody just wanted to come in the garage, but Santa Claus is in the way. Check it out. Slowly but surely filling up. Here we go. It's almost there. Santa. Uh-oh, that's not good. It's falling over. Gotta hold it. All right, here we go. We got my helper.
Oh my gosh!
I gotta pull back, it's so big. What do you think?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Oh,
So you got that to do a video on?
Yeah?
These things are not cheap.
Oh,
wow!
you get it on Amazon. Look at the lights that are flickering
I mean,
in
it's
it.
$100, I bet.
Something like that.
Wait, this is so cute. Look at the little
It's
Santa.
cuter now that it's blown up. If I could just paint it aqua.
What do you guys think?
Love it.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the land, snow's a glistening. We're singing a love song. We're walking along, walking in a winter wonderland.
This all lights up too.
Yeah, look at it. What do you think?
So,
Does it
How
have to
do
stay
you-
blown up?
so now you have to keep it hooked up to
You gotta
blow
keep
up?
it. You keep it plugged in. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
Oh, the
I mean,
little
it's
presents
huge.
Are so cute.
Look how tall it
Yeah,
is.
it's cute.
I mean, it is
I mean,
big.
I would never buy it or have it, but it's cute.
My honey loves this
I
thing.
don't like red anything.
She
So
doesn't like
weird.
red.
I love red, and I love
If it was
Santa.
green and blue, then it would be perfect.
All right, well, if you like this video,
Give us a subscribe and a like.
and then buy this thing. There's a link.
And buy it.
There's a link.
Link below.
There's a Christmas link.
Merry Christmas.